Okay, so you created your model in Fusion, and now it's time to use some real material in the world. Uh, so your professor has thrown you for a loop and given you a 3 by 5 piece of note card. And so you're going to cut it in a 3 by 5 piece of note card. Um, let's see if our model can handle that. Let's first show how big that piece would be. I'm going to create a new artboard. I'm going to create a new artboard here. Oops. Where did I get lost? Oh no, I'm lost. Let's create a new artboard, right? Oh, there it is. Right here. We're going to make that 3 inches. 5 in. That's what, that's the one I want. 3 inches wide. 3 inches high. 5 inches wide. Okay. So it looks like we're going to need to, so this piece won't fit in there, but let's just see about, maybe if we got it about that big. Oops, I messed up. I should keep that the same proportion. Okay. So we'll get some of our sizes off of this. Oh yeah, I need to keep it all in the same proportion. Darn. Okay, hold on. Let's figure this out. Okay, so we'll take these two guys. Let's shrink them down a bit and see if we can get. Okay, looks like we can get both of these. Oops. Looks like we can get these on. Looks like we can get this on the cardstock maybe. For now, that's good enough. I probably would want to, if I were like really serious, I would give you grades based on, you know, how efficient you were using the entire piece. But let's not get that geeky just yet. So this is a 3 by 5 piece of cardstock. Oh, let's come. How big is this? So this piece that I selected is 1.6 inches. Let's turn it to millimeters since our. So 40 millimeters. The top is 40 millimeters, but we actually want. Oh yeah, we want this side. It can be close enough. This is 38. So why don't we do 35 millimeters and see what happens here. 35. Oh, but then it's also high, so then it's 27 millimeters. Let's just do 27 millimeters. Let's first make our fingers smaller because we have some trouble there. This one's 27. Okay, so it's all shrinking down pretty nicely. Let's make our finger a little bit bigger. 10. Great. Now, cardstock is half a millimeter thick. So this is going to be very fine. Let's see how that works. Okay, did I do that? And that's my parameter. 5 millimeters. Okay. So I actually reproduced this problem that I had, and it's not that big of a deal. So it's this line is extra here, but it looks like it's even, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to trim this piece off. And I'm pretty sure that's the middle, but I'm going to just be extra careful and make sure those are equal. Yeah, that's fine. And let's see if it works. So we'll stop the sketch. We'll save it as a DXF. We're going to call it most basic 3D structure test 1. Okay, we have a DXF, and then let's open it. There we go. I think it would know that by now. these guys that we don't want. Let's make this guy shoulders, make it into inches. Then make our 3x5 card. Width is 5 inches, the height is 3 inches. I think this is probably going to fit. Zoom out. Let's do. I could probably do a little bit better. I just want to be more efficient with my material. Look at that, I actually have a lot left over here. And then that we could put in the laser cutter and have it work. Here we have the right. Okay.